So beginnings of the next project. Obviously doing two again because I get better results building two of something than one. So this is going to be an excavator. Kind of basing it off just a regular old Hitachi EX200-1, old school one. Round counterweight panels, round curves to mimic that generation. They weren't square. Fuel tank, side panels, other side panels, and the hood. Turned out good. I don't got no metal bender or nothing, so I'm just using just bending them between two squeezed angle irons. Okay, sometime later, not having a ball with the sheet metal there. You get a little bit of warpage. Use 20 gauge on a lot of it. That's too thin. Doing the cabs. It's already off middle of the afternoon. I started that this morning. EX200s. It's got the first bend and tack on it to the sides. Other side. Back there. And we'll eventually end up on there. And hopefully it'll be an okay excavator. So I have the cutouts for the boom sides made. And the arm, the stick. I got the cabs not finished, polished up. Curves in. So kind of happy with the cab. They turned out pretty much to scale and looking like an EX200 cab. Well, EX anything, like 700 from the 80s or 90s. -1. Right. So the two booms is roughly tacked together. Sort of learning as I go. This thinner gauge metal, the other ones I built were 1/8 inch plate. You weld all over them and grind the welds, but this 20 gauge I use for part of it makes it tougher. So that'll go somewhere in here. And still got to spread the bottoms open. Basically, a real boom is 2/3 or 30% bigger down here, so this will flare out. One stick tacked together. Classic 200 stick, 10-foot 6-pin to pin. And the second one here, this is how I line them. I put the pins in first to line them up and get that 90 degrees. Put that in, tack the bottom in, so on, and some of this.